This new research could change how we think about Alzheimer's disease forever. Recently, researchers uncovered a small group of people who developed Alzheimer's unusually early, between the ages of 38 and 55. Here's the twist. All of them had received growth hormone injections as children. These hormones, extracted from cadaver pituitary glands, were used to treat growth disorders before synthetic versions became available. The issue? These treatments were later found to be contaminated with prions. Prions are not viruses or bacteria. They're misfolded proteins that can cause a domino effect, making other proteins in the brain misfold as well. This process leads to devastating brain diseases like Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or CJD. Over 200 people worldwide developed CJD due to these contaminated hormones. But now, it seems those batches might have also carried another threat, amyloid beta, the protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. In this rare scenario, researchers believe the contaminated hormones may have introduced amyloid beta early in life, potentially triggering Alzheimer's later. What's striking is that genetic testing ruled out known mutations for early-onset Alzheimer's in these cases, further pointing to the contaminated growth hormones as the likely cause. And similar findings of amyloid proteins acting as a contagion have been observed in the brains of lab mice. Now, let's be clear. This doesn't mean Alzheimer's is contagious in the way we think of viruses or bacteria. Experts stress that you cannot catch Alzheimer's through caregiving, daily interactions, or modern medical treatments. This is tied to outdated practices that have been eliminated for decades, but these findings raise profound questions about Alzheimer's disease itself. For one, could amyloid beta behave like prions, spreading and triggering a chain reaction in the brain? If so, could we develop treatments to stop this process before it even starts? And here's another thought. If amyloid beta can spread in this rare situation, could other environmental factors, like toxins or even infections, play a role in sparking Alzheimer's in other cases? This opens up new pathways for research, potentially shifting how we think about prevention. This study also highlights how much we don't yet understand about Alzheimer's. For example, why do some people with large buildups of amyloid beta never show symptoms of the disease, while others do? And could understanding these rare cases offer insights into how Alzheimer's starts for the millions of people it affects worldwide? Think about this. 1 in 9 people over the age of 65 in the U.S. is living with Alzheimer's. What if discoveries like this could help us not just treat, but prevent the disease altogether? These rare cases might seem far removed from most of us, but they hold valuable clues that could transform the future of brain health. Science is constantly evolving, and every breakthrough brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the human brain. These findings are a reminder that even in the most unexpected circumstances, there's an opportunity to learn and innovate. Now, before you worry, what happened here is tied to outdated medical practices that were stopped in 1985. But the science here, the idea that amyloid plaques can be passed from one body to another, is intriguing. This is the kind of discovery everyone should know about. Share this with someone you care about. Curiosity drives discovery. Together, we can uncover the mysteries of